Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria A.K.C. and I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to see how we can save money using mini savings challenges, guys. And you can save anywhere from $5 to $100, whatever is within your comfort zone. There is no limit. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, yes, I have no nails. It is time to do hair. So y'all already know I go through a couple days where, I'm letting them breathe, and then I'm just doing hair, and then you'll see nails hopefully later on this week. So let's see what we've got here. We've got some beautiful challenges from members of this community. And like I stated in my intro, guys, these challenges are called mini challenges for a reason. They only have a few boxes or, squares or circles or icons that you need to mark off. You can do what works for you. You can do 25 cents, 50 cents, $1, $2, $5 each. Again, whatever works for you. And this is a fun and easy way to save. Now, a lot of people in the community use these as either mini Mondays, $2 Tuesdays, whatever you want. I am going to do it as a mini Monday. Now, normally I leave them here or I take them out, which I think is what I'm going to do today. Guys, this is our first mini savings challenges of 2026. So I am excited. The first is always exciting. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. I know some people went back to work today, and, for those of you who are on vacation, and a lot of kiddos are back to school. My little ones are still home. Yes, they are still on break. I tell you, they've had a nice long break, but I don't mind. We homeschool, so it means that I'm on break as well. All right, I'm trying to move these so that you guys can see them. Okay, so we have 1 through 8. We have an 8-sided die here, and we have $75. Let's count it real quick. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 50. 60. 75. And y'all already know we like to make it spicy, so we have some 5s that we would just be adding in here, mixing it in. And we'll see who gets the 5, who gets done first. Now, we do have a pouch here that is full of challenges. Some of these are freebies. Some of these I have purchased. And some of these actually just been sent to me when I make a purchase or with Christmas cards. So if we complete any today, we're going to go in that pouch and just switch them over. Now, the funds that we saved doing our mini Mondays, I end up saving it till the end of the month. And then at the end of the month, we take the money and we reallocate it to our sinking fund. So it's just another way to save money for, upcoming expenses. Alrighty, so here we go. Let's get started. 8, and we're doing 2 bills per row. 1, 8 again. We've got our first 5 coming up, and that's going to 5. 6. Okay, come on, let's get some love. A little bit of love to everyone. We've got another 5, guys. Oh, 8. 1. Come on now. 8 said it wants all the money. We've got 3, 4, and 7. 8 again. Okay, 8. Oh no, we need... Goodness gracious. Y'all see what's happening? Let's see. That's 1. All right, I think 2 has more than enough money. Finally, 7. Now we need a 3 and a 4. All righty, let's see. Come on. 6. 6 again. Come on, we got a 5. 7. 3 and 4. Come on. 7 again. I got another 5, y'all. 2. 2. Y'all really gonna do 3 and 4 like this. 7. 5. Oh, and we've got a 1. And 7. Well, but they're not out yet. Not completely, guys, because if we have extra funds in any of these, which I know at least 2, I believe, are going to be fully funded, we are going to do this again. So we'll see. Alrighty, guys. So we've got this one here from KathyBudgets. And let's see how much she got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad. We're going to do $1 each. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. First time around. And we're more than halfway done. Alrighty. This one is definitely done. We only need $6 for this one. And I believe we got a 5. Oh yeah, this one got a lot of money. 5, 6. So that's for that. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. So we're going to put this to the side. Now this one here is from Budget Life with Paula. Guys, I am going to link everyone in the description. And, you know, if you're interested, please check their channels out. Show them some love. Now, this one here is from Liz Alani's Budgets. It is $3 per square. And we got $5, $6, $7, $8. So we are going to do 1, 2, that's 6. And we're going to fold the 2. So anytime we have extra money that, you know, does not permit us to color in a circle, a square, an icon, whatever the case may be, we just fold that money and try again next week. Dream, believe, achieve. This mini is from Noreli's Budget. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, we have a completed challenge. Wait a minute. We have 2 completed challenges. So let me take this out. We're going to do this $6 is going to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to the side. And I have to pick 2 more challenges, guys. Let me do that real quick. And guys, just like that. See, that's what I was trying to tell you all. That it is so easy to work on these. Now this here, I believe it's Budget with Linda or Budget by Linda. Guys, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna put 2 small ones in. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe these are from Linda. I'm gonna check, make sure so that I can list her information in the description and you guys can, you know, show her some love. We're going to put another one here that's from Paula, Budget Life with Paula. That's going to go. As a matter of fact, look, Budget with Linda. Alrighty, this is from Chatty KathyBudgets. Let's see. Yeah, she tried to take all our money. All right, Kathy, let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I believe we're going to be done. We're going to do $1 each. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think I said we had 19, right? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And yeah, so we've got 3 extra that's going over there. Another completed challenge. We're going to put these to the side because, as I stated, what I do with them, I don't automatically send that money over to our sinking funds. I actually take the money and I put it in a little pouch that I have, and then I end up, you know, transferring it over. This one here was sent to me by Irene at Boop and Budgets. How cute is this? I know it's Christmas Eve, but we're going to use it because it was recently gifted to me, and I want to, you know, I want to use different challenges so we can support different channels. Alrighty, this one here, I don't recall. I bought this last year when I started to save for the baby. And I'm not sure who it's from. I will try and see. I don't think it's someone here in the community. This is Etsy seller. So we'll check. All right, let's see what we've got here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Each animal is going to be $1. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, we are on a roll. Way to start the year. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to put that money there. So let's grab another challenge here. This one is, if you're going to be salty, bring the tequila. Budgeting with Lisa. So this is a new one. We have not used any of her challenges before. We're going to set this aside. And we'll be starting with her. So why don't we go another round? Let me get these here together. You know what? I'm not even going to put them in order. We're just going to put them here like this. Can you guys see them? I hope you can. We've got quite a few dollars here. Let's roll again. We're going to do $2 each. 4. Okay, finally. 8. 5. Oh, no, wait. Oh, yeah. I'm not. I looked at the number and the envelope said 6, but 4. 8. Look at 8. 3. Okay, 3 got some love. 2. 2 again. 1. 4. 7. And that is it. Okay, so we have one here that didn't get any money, but that's okay. Guys, again, this is just a fun way to save. Are you guys incorporating minis into your saving plan for this year? Or, you know, what is your biggest saver, or let's say the one that you're going to continuously stuff? Now, I'm working on these minis, but I'm definitely working on the most basic savings box and book. Those are kind of like a priority for me. So we've got, let's see, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we can do 2 more because these are worth $3 each. Okay, and again, this is from Liz Alani's budget. So we'll put that one there. Oops, this one goes there. Okay, so we've got $2 going into Budget Life with Paula. And I like these really small ones because you get to finish them quick. And again, no matter how quick or slow you finish them within a month, you're going to save the same amount. However, if I finish this quicker than I would, let's say this one that has a lot more icons, then I'm able to support more channels and showcase more challenges. All right, this one here, I believe again that this is from Linda. And we've got 2 here. Which reminds me, Happy New Year to all. I hope you guys are having a wonderful start to the year. I know a lot of us have already started, you know, working on making plans for the New Year's, changing our budget. But if you haven't, it's okay. First of all, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So if what you did in 2025 worked for you, leave it alone. Don't change it, because everybody wants to change and revamp their budget and refresh their binders. But if what you did last year is working, then stick to it. There's no need to change it. And if you feel the need to make changes, you don't have to do it by January the 1st. Don't rush into something. You know, think it through. Make sure that, you know, what you're setting as your goals is something that's going to be attainable for you, and then go from there. If you don't figure it out till the 15th of January, the 2nd of February, so what? The thing is that you're working with your budget. It's unique to you, so you're not in competition or in a race with anybody but yourself. Alrighty, so this one here from Tiny Budget Co. That's from Laura. It's $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Okay, she didn't get anything last round, but she got a whopping $6. I did make a few changes, but mostly the changes I made are more so I did want to prioritize self-care this time around, because I really stopped. I started last year with self-care, but then I stopped doing it. So I'm going to make that a priority. And of course, y'all all know I want to try and save a total of $10,000. Am I going to do it this year? I'm not sure, but I'm definitely going to try. And that's the best we can do. Try our best. If I don't, then that's okay. Because again, I'm not in a race or in competition with anybody, so I'm going to do what I can. This one is from Budgeting with Lisa, and she's got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and lastly, we have this one from Rox at Rox's Budget. And we've got 2 more that we're adding, and this one is almost done. Alrighty, guys. We did great. Let me just show you guys. We completed 1, 2, 3, 4. How cool is that, guys? 4 challenges completed, and we just started today. All of these were new because I ended up finishing all my challenges at the end of December so that we can go into 2026 with new challenges, new channels. I wanted to support different people. So again, this is awesome. Alrighty, guys, that is it. That is all I have for you. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.